Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SWN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's very nice movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning and get rid of those lines there. Yeah, those levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. First update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $2.10 is going to be that initial level of support, what I would call the ideal level. So, ideally, yeah, if the price could stay above it, that would be a massive sign of power. But if the price were to fall below there, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 210 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Current level is just essentially where the party stopped today several times, and that's right up there at $2.26. If the price can push through $2.26, then the next key level after that, right up there at $2.35. So $2.26, $2.35, next two key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice movement the past few days, and not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.